Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most stunning and futuristic campers you'll ever see. A sleek, electric tricycle camper with a unique two-tone design. Imagine a mist blue bottom paired with a crisp white top, gleaming under bright showroom lights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a vision of travel reimagined. Just take a moment to admire the aerodynamic curves, the rounded edges, and those expansive windows that flood the cabin with natural light. Every line feels intentional, every detail crafted for both style and efficiency. And with that single front wheel, this camper brings a fresh twist to modern mobility while still being compact and easy to maneuver. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that screams comfort and sophistication. The premium car-style seats are upholstered in light gray leather, complete with fine stitching, contoured bolstering, and adjustable headrests. These aren't just seats. They're an invitation to relax, whether you're cruising the highway or parked at your dream destination. The dashboard and side panels feature soft-touch materials paired with subtle ambient lighting that gives off a warm, modern glow. Every inch of the cabin is designed to feel open yet cozy, functional yet beautiful. You can tell this isn't a standard camper. It's a carefully thought-out space meant to make travel a pleasure. Picture yourself on the road with this machine. No gas stations, no noise pollution, just smooth electric-powered journeys and the freedom to explore wherever the road takes you. The mist blue and white color combination isn't just stylish. It makes the camper stand out as a true statement piece wherever it goes. And here's the thing. This isn't just about a camper, it's about a lifestyle. It's about taking your home with you, blending luxury with eco-friendly travel, and never having to compromise on comfort or design. This futuristic electric tricycle camper is priced in the premium range, reflecting its advanced technology, luxury features, and unique design. Depending on customization options such as interior finishes, battery capacity, and smart tech add-ons, the cost can range between $28,000 and $35,000. If you enjoyed this look at the futuristic electric tricycle camper, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who love unique vehicles. Make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the coolest innovations in travel and design. Drop a comment below and tell us, where would your first adventure be in this camper? Your dream trip could inspire our next video.